what's on your mind. If you want it, girl, come and get it. All this is here for you. Tell me, baby, tell me, baby, what you trying to do? Put your real shining bright. Share me the I slam the door, I hear it door, I say no, 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 no. I got you locked, excited to never tell.
I'm so sorry for your loss.
I feel so much lighter, like a feather with you off my mind. Floating through the memories like whatever, you're a waste of time. Signals that makes you act like a bit. You fit every stereotype, send a pic. I feel so much lighter, like a feather with you of my life. With you of my life. Ay, nararamdaman din ako. Di kasi manhid na tulad mo. Kung sana'y bumitaw ang isang tulad ko, lalayo na ba ako? Paano naman ako nahulog na sa'yo? Binitawan mo lang ba talaga ako? Paano naman ako naghintay ng matagal sa'yo? Wala lang ba talaga lahat ng iyon sa'yo? Ano na ba gagawin ko? Yeah, yeah. Every year we get older and I'm still on your side. Maybe I'd give anything to travel inside your mind. Maybe I'll fall in love again come every summertime. My daddy taught me to choose someone sweet, but you don't have to try. 'Cause baby, I'll fall in love every summertime. You know you're bright as the morning, you're soft as the rain, pretty as a vine, as sweet as a grain. You can sit in a barrel, maybe you'll wait until the day. I'd rather take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my fantasy. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. I'll take my whiskey neat, my coffee black and my fantasy. You're too sweet for me. You're too sweet for me. Kanina ko pa binubuksan ito, ayaw naman niyang magpakain. Paano ko to ilalagay sa taho ko na malamig? Lagi kitang binubuksan, ngunit ayaw mong magpabukas. Taho, 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 nalagay ko nga aking sagot, pero bago ko inagay ito, inalog ko at tumalsik, kumalat pa sa upuan ko. Lagi ko naman inaalog, pero bakit siya tumalsik? Ngayon ang dumi ko, ayaw magpabukas. Ano ang gagawin? Ilalagay ba to o hahayaan na?
year. Aminin mo, songwriter of the year. Kahit anong topic yan. Kahit anong topic, kaya-kaya.